Hello and welcome to Bee-cyberwise, your source for cybersecurity tips and insights. Today's video we will discuss about cybersecurity applied for remote workers and how we can mitigate the risk of cyber attacks that affect this way of working. We'll be also sharing tips on how to stay secure while working remotely, and we will also share a case study to show how these practices can be put in action. So, stay tuned and let's get started. With the rise of remote work, the need for strong cybersecurity practices has become more important than ever before. Remote workers face unique cybersecurity risks as they often use personal devices and work outside of the office network. This makes them vulnerable to attacks such as phishing, malware, and hacking. In fact, a recent study found that 60% of remote workers have experienced a security incident while working remotely. So, what can remote workers do to stay secure? Here are some best practices. Use a virtual private network, a VPN, to encrypt your internet connection and protect your data from prying eyes. Keep your software and operation system up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Use strong, unique passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your accounts. Avoid using public Wi-Fi network as they can be easily intercepted by attackers. Be cautious of suspicious emails and messages as they may be phishing attempts. Backup your data regularly so you can recover it in case of an attack. Let's take a look at a case study to see this best practice in action. Meet Jane, a marketing professional who works remotely for a startup company. Jane uses a VPN to access the company's network, and she has set up two-factor authentication on all of her accounts. She also regularly updates her computer software and avoids using public Wi-Fi. One day, Jenny receives an email from what appears to be her manager asking her to download a file and send it back to him. However, something seems off about the email, so Jane checks with her manager before clicking on the link. As it turns out, the email was a phishing attempt, and Jane's quick thinking prevented a potentially disastrous security incident. As we've seen in this case study, following best practices for cybersecurity can help remote workers stay safe from attacks. By using a VPN, keeping software up to date, using strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and avoiding public Wi-Fi networks, remote workers can protect themselves and their company from cyber threats. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more cybersecurity content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Stay cyberwise, and thank you for watching.